huge. These are the junior suites with the swim up bar, or I'm sorry, swim up pool. This is the front lobby. That's where you check in. This is where you get coffee. Are you gonna get coffee? Yeah. Pool is huge. Oh, there's a
swim up bar. I know nothing.
You can rent these cabanas. There's a spa, big checkerboards, ping pong tournament. And the pool is beautiful. Another bar. I know nothing about that one either. There's the beach. So you get food here at the West End. Also, we ate there last night. Jamaican Roots, it's another restaurant. So here is the beach. Looks like they're cleaning it up. Tons of seating. More cabanas. Not gonna walk all the way down there. But you can see, yeah, tons of seating. People get out here real early too and they put their blankets down or towels. But you see, like, basically this is a cove that you could swim inside of, basically from that pink ball over here. And the water is really warm. You could pretty much walk right in. Looks like they're turning these over. I think you get pizza here, like any time of the day, which is awesome. Calypso. Another place to get food. Another fire pit. Giant swing. This is the kids side. This is where all the kids are. This pool is definitely bigger. There's two pools. Big over there, this one over here.
I know, look at all these here. We passed this one before when it was open and it was bad vibes. There's so many children. Oh, I know.
But these cabanas are cool because they're in the pool.
I do like these little, like, where the cabanas are.
Oh, there's a jerk hut. You get some jerk chicken.
I still haven't had the jerk hut. Does anyone know how to play chess?
No idea. The main building for the Ziva. Oh, there's a bar, a spa, and a coffee shop in here. Is that it? Oh, look, there's like a restaurant here. What's this?
I think this is the French restaurant.
Huh. So we don't know what that is, but we're gonna say that that's the French restaurant.
All day. When we get done,
It's the main lobby for the Ziva.
Breakfast on the blue water.
See, the one thing good about this great shop.
Here's the bar.
And here's a coffee shop. This is called Grinds. One of these at each one. Here's the famous chair. Not really. Maybe this is like where you get married. Yet another huge building. Is that secret service up there?
I know, look at the guys.
I guess this is where they do.
Good for them.
This place is cool.
Probably locked.
Yeah, it's locked. This is a pub with a pool table. Yeah, it's neat. This is, oh, a jewelry shop. We'll not be going there. It's the Italian restaurant. Still early. Bites? What's this? We didn't see this. Oh, we were here yesterday. This is like an ice cream shop, right?
Yeah, like.
Oh, cigar shop. Interesting. And this is fusion. This is the Asian inspired food. That is the resort. Oh my God. It's exactly what you think.
Birthday.
Yeah, they don't They have umbrellas everywhere.
Meeting room.
Conferences. This is what, the hookah bar?
Yeah. Yeah, up top, yeah.
So there's a rooftop bar up there.
This at night is bumping.
Very disappointed.
Very disappointed.
Yeah.
So
Ask
for
before you whip it out.
the beach, you want beach shoes, right? Because there's
Yeah.
rocks in the water at a certain point. So I'd recommend water shoes
And straws. Yeah.
and
Yeah, it's
straws.
like
If you
plastic
don't like
straws.
paper straws, bring yourself some
There's also a shoe
plastic straws. From the airport to the resort, pay for the Hyatt shuttle. It takes you directly here.
Private
It's easiest part, yeah, or get a private car. Customs, there's 3 different checkpoints.
Form. Fill out the form.
Yeah, fill out the form
C5.
before you get here, the C5 form.
Enter Jamaica.com.
Enter Jamaica.com.
Little photo.
What other things?
Go through the declaration customs. It's quicker.
Should we ask if he wants to be?
Oh, go through the declaration. Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right.
Yeah, it was quicker. Nobody was declaring anything.
And then you
else
just go,
was
I'm not, yeah.
Yeah, and they were like, it said, if in doubt, just go here. And I went, and the girl was like, oh, no, you're fine. And then just...
Ah, that's a good one. Yep, get up early, get your spot at the pool.
Or
Or
if
have
you're
someone designated to
fun
do
and
it.
You stay up late. You just do it at night.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go check out the gym. The gym is huge. Some people might say the biggest gym.
Some might say.
I don't know if we're gonna, yeah, I'm not sure how much we're gonna get at the gym because I'm not gonna be walking around with a camera, yeah.
This is the safest spot.
Power walk.
And these steps are very oddly
Yeah,
spaced.
so like these are for very tall.
Huge area down here, big area up here, all kinds of workout, lifting stuff. Huge gym. But I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of people in here. Weights, lots of weights, lots of machines. Oh, where's this the garden? I saw this on one of the other videos.
Oh, the garden?
Yeah. And where's the tennis court? Oh, it's over there. Oh my God. Ziva. Duh. Zilara. Yeah. No.
All right, jog it.
It sound right, boys.